Hi everyone. In this video, I would like to go over how you can look at MyEducator and then you can see the status of your assessment and where you can improve the assessment until you get 100%. So let me go over, so I went to my progress to check my progress as a student, and then from there I see the assessment that I have done and what grades that I have done and how much percentage. So here in the assessment for the first one, I will look at it as an example. I'll click on this guy assessment, and then I'll click on the file for practice problem number 1, and then I can open or download this file. So when I download this file, it's going to download in the download folder. And here, as you can see, I have 2 of them. So let me click on this guy and I will see if it will be able to open or not. If not, then there is a way that I can make it open. So let's have a quick look. All right, so I need to enable it. Enable editing. And now it's giving me this warning. You can click on this one, which takes you into how you can enable it or disable it. So you go here into properties of the full file and then click unlock and then apply. So this is what I'm going to do. Close out of this and then go to this file, right click, go to properties, and then unlock and apply. And then I'll click OK. So now it should open and should show me the directions that I need to follow. I will do just one example. So here's the assignment, and then I'll click on task guide. So far I didn't do anything, and I just got 0%, right? I got 0. So there are a total of 100 points. So complete donation grows, the grader relies on the current. Okay, so let's go to the next. So what it wants me to do here, Petersburg Palace. So it wants me to calculate the discount. So I'm gonna click on the discount. So I click this guy, and I'll keep it as relative cell times, and I need to click on the discount, and they need to put a $sign in front of the row, and then I can just double click, double check. Yeah, I didn't move. All right, so I'm done with this one. And I will stop here and I will decide, for you, you need to finish all of it, but just as an example here to show you that I can continue working on that. Let's see, close and then submit. So I'll say yes, choose user, and then I can just put my name here, my email at but let's see. All right, now and then I will say grade assignment. I'll say okay. You will notice that it will give me immediate feedback, and based on that feedback, I can still fix the mistakes that it shows it to me and resubmit until I get 100%. So that's the point that I wanted to convey. It can also show grading results as well, even without submitting. So you can see that I calculated discount, so it gave me 25%. So now it is telling me what is missing for to calculate the sale price. So you can always go back to the Excel file, and then for the sale price, I would assume based on the directions here. So you can go through, let's see here, calculate, and then calculate sale price. So in the sale price, you need to calculate the regular price times. Let's see, the sales price is going to be subtracting the discount from the regular price, okay? So this guy minus this guy, and I will keep them relative. And then I'll just double click on this guy to copy it. All right, I will save it. And I will say submit. All right, I will submit. And then just to show the grades for now, but you can always, so now you can see I have been improving my grades by the first one and the second one, but you get the idea. So for you, you can always look at the feedback and which ones you have missed and always fix them and submit until you get 100%. So that's the way it should be done. So for me, I'll just say, okay. And then this should reflect in my grade book in MyEducator. So this is the great thing about this book because it gives you immediate feedback and you can always fix the issues until you get 100%. So let's see here. We'll go back here to my progress to see my improvement. All right, so but you get the idea. So this is what I wanted kind of to convey to you, and I hope that you all do great and the best of luck to you all.